This is another incredible start of a day here at Carsupkeep. We have some jobs lined up and we are ready to go. We're gonna have timing chain on a Range Rover that is being dropped off. That car is really rattly. You're gonna hear the sound on the video today. There's gonna be a Ranger that is also in the garage ready for timing chain also, and there is a Citroen C3 for the wet belt, the 1.2. So all of these jobs are gonna be done today. So the video today is gonna be kind of like a mix in between them. So you're gonna be jumping from one car to the other. So it's gonna be like kind of like a remix of what's going on in the garage, you know what I mean? Like a tunes type of thing. So stay there seated and let's go. Let's start the day. 3.2 Ranger for chain, which is better than wet belt. Here we have the Peugeot 1.2, it's not Peugeot, it's Citroen, same stuff. 1.2 wet belt. And here, I don't know. Whatever's going on here. This is a Ranger. This Ranger is a 3.2 liter. So it's the one with the timing chain, not the common 2 liter wet belt. So on this one we'll be doing timing chain, so we're going to be replacing the timing chain kit alongside the timing cover, oil filter, the whole complete set, and I'll bring you guys along because at the end of the day it's a beautiful Ranger and I believe you guys want to have a look at it. So let's go. Today's going to be a bit of a weird one. Let's say we're going to have multiple cars in the same video. Some of them will be finished in this video, some of them won't be finished in this video, so we'll see how it goes. Number one is this Ranger 3.2 liter timing chain. The chain was stretched, so they got us to replace the timing chain. That's what we're doing on this one. To my left we have a Range Rover Discovery Sport for the timing chain on a 2 liter Ingenium engine. Very common, we do them quite a lot. And on the other side to my right we have Citroen 1.2, the wet belt system, so we will be replacing that one. Today we have a Discovery in the garage and the noise is terrible. As you can hear in the video there, the chain is about to leave the shaft. So today we're going to do the timing chain, common engine, 2 liter diesel, Ingenium, you know, the same as always. So we're going to do everything. Eddie's going to start stripping everything, not me. We're going to start stripping everything. Once we get to the chain or we get anywhere closer, we'll come back to you guys. And remember to follow. Otherwise, they don't do it. It's still the same.
Yeah.
So let's start it then. Land Rover, yeah?
Always Land Rover.
How is this one?
Good car. What do you think?
Would you buy it?
No.
Would you buy it?
For one of these?
Yeah, I guess you have a unanimous decision. No one is buying it.
So, another day in Carsupkeep. He told me not to speak.
Oh, and you're still speaking?
I'm still speaking.
Come closer. Abdul, come closer.
Abdul, come closer. Abdul, go back.
Abdul, come here. Listen, you see that? Look, nice, innit? Oh. Look.
Looks like porridge.
Look at that. Oh, nice. Yeah. That is a wet belt on the Citroen, 80,000 miles on the clock. That's how the sump looks like. So if you have one, and you really want, I mean, you're already doing this one anyway, so I might as well just do it on yours as well.
Be your man.
Yeah, I mean, I can do that. I mean, just for you. Just you. Was anyone else? You. I'll do it. Okay.
Boss, is that going to be for free? You doing that or?
No. Double price because I'm doing it.
Ah, okay. Second and last. Okay.
You know when they say mechanics don't live long. That's why. Could I use the gloves? I could, but it's too hot, so sweat and stuff. You know what I mean?
He's lying. I just saw him rub his hands in the dirt. Carry on, mate.
All right. You want a belt? Get this out from here.
It's a wet one.
Yeah. So you can see here. So is that visible there? Probably not. I'll get the light here closer. Come here. Zoom in into my beautiful hands. Where's the light button here? Can you see that?
We love these.
Listen, if you can't see it, just imagine it. Because I had enough.
Thank you to Citroen. Thank you to Ford and Peugeot. They help us feed our children.
And even Honda, but the Hondas, they don't feed us as much.
They help us feed our children.
Yeah.
Quality souls.
Still, they don't beat Jaguar and Land Rover.
No.
They have a special place in our heart. Yeah. They really do. Theoretically, I could just cut this, you know what I mean? I could just cut that and...
What's this? Just cut it.
And now you basically call the customer and say, oh, the belt snapped, you have to do the whole engine now.
Yeah, have to do the head.
Look, it's cut. Oh, the whole lot.
It's a shame.
It's a shame now, isn't it?
What?
There you go. The belt is out. Now we done all this already.
Peace out, guys. Enjoy your day. I hope you're not sweating too much like we are.
And I'm gonna go wash my hands so I can put some gloves.
Good boy. Oh, this is Carsupkeep Ltd. Look, we get the whole fan to himself. How are we getting on, mate? What's your update over here then?
Diesel.
Oh, dizzy. He's hot? He's not a real Turkish man, I don't think.
Listen, if you don't know about it, this is the most famous Turkish man in Bedford, right? At least on this street here. I'm in the state,
Eddie.
but it is Carsupkeep Ltd.
Doing the Range Rover timing chain. As you can see, it looks like he's loving his job today.
He's melting, look.
Yeah.
Fan, everything is melting away. He's Turkish, like
all to himself.
back home 50 degrees. Now here, 20 something is crying, look.
Yeah.
Fucking hot, man.
Been in England for far too long. Though.
Yeah, man, he's yeah, he lost it, you know what I
Do you
mean?
want it to rain and be cold, Eddie? And then you're going to complain about that? Yeah. See? He's a true English man now. Oh.
Wet belt is done. And this one, finishing your Ranger. Here, very no about. And Eddie, almost there.
Almost.
Oh, you had an oil leak, yeah?
Oily.
Traditional Range Rover stuff. All right, I'll come back when you have some better news for me.
Yeah, no worries.
You know you can feed the gun there, the ratchet.
No,
Like, zzz. No?
I will already take.
Okay. Ranger is going. That's finished, ready to go. Wet belts 1.2 Citroen, that's ready to go. You're now just working on that Range Rover up there. Okay, thank you very much guys for watching. We are at the end of this video. I know that some of the cars were not completed on this video. I know that this video is not actually like I didn't give any information out on how to do anything. It was kind of just like a, you know, kind of like a little vlog of the whole day. We don't have all the cars finished. That Range Rover, again, is like a 2-day job, so it's not really finished. We have the gearbox back on it and pretty much almost there, but not there yet. The Ranger, We finished with that car, we took it out, and once we come back from the test drive, we've seen there's a little seepage of oil through the crankshaft seal. So we're not happy with that, so we're replacing that again. It might get nicked when we try to put it in, it might be a defect on the seal, whatever it is, we are here to deal with it. The Citroen, on the other hand, is completely finished, fully done and dusted, ready to go back to the customer, so the customer will come and pick up tomorrow. So, what's the end of the story? Range Rover will be ready tomorrow, the Ranger we need to do the seal again, and the Citroen is ready to go. So, thank you a lot for watching. If you can subscribe, will mean a lot to us, and if you can put a like also and let us know down the comments down below if this is what you think a garage. This is how a garage is and how the banter goes on the day by day on a garage. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.